in assignment 2.1, you're going to get started in immediate mode, just doing some very basic Python just to make sure that you can get some results and your IDE is working. So in this assignment, you're going to create a variable with your first name, and you're going to create another variable with your last name. And so we're going to have two variables there. Not going to ask you to output these variables at this point. You're going to create another variable with your age. So the first two variables are string variables or text. The one with your age is going to be a variable that is a numerical variable. And then we want to make sure you can do comments. So remember, comments, we use the pound sign in front of, and anything with a pound sign in front of it is a comment. So we want to make sure you can do comments, create a numerical variable, create two list variables, and that's what's required for assignment 2.1.